If your iPhone is running slow, lagging when you scroll, or freezing after updating to iOS 26 beta, you're not the only one. Since this is a beta version, these performance issues are quite normal. But don't worry, there are some easy fixes you can try to get your iPhone running smoothly again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone. This clears temporary bugs from the system. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and press and hold the power button until your phone closes. Restart your phone by releasing the power button and pressing it again until the Apple logo appears. This won't erase any data, it just forces the system to reboot. Solution 2. Turn off background app refresh. This feature keeps apps updating even when you're not using them. Go to Settings, find and tap General. Scroll down and tap Background App Refresh. Tap Background App Refresh again. Set it to off. Solution 3. Free up storage space. Low storage can slow down your iPhone drastically, and a major update usually takes up to 10 to 15 GB of space, so you may need to delete some stuff. Open Settings, go to General, select iPhone Storage. Now delete unused apps, offload large media files, or move them to iCloud. Try to keep at least 5 to 10 GB free for smoother performance. Solution 4. Turn off unnecessary visual effects. Go to Settings, find and open Accessibility. Tap Motion, toggle on Reduce Motion. Also toggle Prefer Crossfade Transitions if you have it available. This makes animations less intense and improves speed, especially on older iPhones. Now last but not least, you should update to the latest iOS version. Apple releases small beta patches to fix bugs. Go to Settings, find and tap General, select Software Update. Come here once in a while to see if you get any new patch updates. If an update is available, download and install it. You might see improvements in lag and overall stability. iOS 26 beta is full of new features but still has some bugs. These tips can help your iPhone run better and faster. If this video was useful, please like and subscribe for more iOS 26 guides. Thanks for watching.